Good morning, everybody. Ace Daily starts now. Monday. Yep, it's starting a new week. But hey, a good week ahead. We're going to start it off the right way. So let's be happy and go to work. And well, by the time you watch this, Monday will be over. So yay! I've got my little chore here to do, and then I got to get back to work, but I'll be seeing you after work. We're going to do something special. Don't know what yet, but it'll be special. Special. See you guys in a bit. See, airplanes do fly right over our street. I wouldn't say it if it wasn't true. All right, everybody, I'm off work, and I'm heading out. I got to go to the bank, run an errand real quick, and then we'll all be off on our adventure. Evidently, I've got the wrong mount in on the windshield. That's why it looks like it might be broken, so I'm not gonna be able to use it very long. It will do for now, so I'm not gonna do very much recording right now. I have a feeling it might not last today, so we'll go to the bank and I'll see you guys in a bit. We're here at Mayfield Park and Preserve. Let's look around and see what there is to see. Start off with the City of Austin Tree of the Year 2009. It's a Texas persimmon. Have to back up quite a ways to get the small tree into my picture. Mayfield Park is named for Allison Mayfield, Texas Secretary of State from 1894 to 1896, and the Texas Railroad Commissioner from 1896 to 1922. He purchased the 23-acre site in 1909. This house is from the 1870s, and as you can tell, it's a pretty big thing. Let's go look at it if we can. I believe we can. Look over here. See the house. There's also a peacock. If you look under the shrubbery, there are some peacocks under there. There's another one with a really long tail. Elephant ear plant. Like over here we have like their garage. When you're looking at the garage, if you look to the right, you'll see a little castle. Some children have tree forts. Some have jungle gyms. This family had a castle for their children. There's the house. There's a peacock on the roof. There's one in the yard. And there's an albino peacock over here. I'm not going to get too close to the house. It looks like the birds are very protective of it. Ponds. Bunch of lily pads. There's some koi fish in the water. Frog or turtle. Somebody.
Oh my goodness. Really nice.
Here's the front of the house. Looks like a storage type unit that's out front of the house. Okay. Looks like a friend of mine. All right, let's go down the trail. There's a Mexican persimmon. I know this because it says so right there. The trail's a little bumpy. Now there's people coming, so. This is a white boneset. back here. I feel like I'm watching Spinal Tap. All right, let's try this again. Rock and roll. Okay, we've seen the lake now. Well, watch your head. There's another way to get down to the lake. All right, if we continue that way, we'll go to the Laguna Gloria Art Museum. They're closed though, so we're gonna find our way to the exit. Again, there's the map. This is a chimney swift tower. It's for chimney swifts. It's a breed of bird we have around here. Well, I made it around. Just a little bit of sweat. It was worth it. It was nice touching nature again. Well, I hope you liked our little trip to Mayfield Park and Preserve. Remember, if I don't see you in the future, I'll see you in the pasture. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you.